Hi friends, we're going to read another Pete the Cat book called Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. And I want you to think about while we're reading how this book, I Love My White Shoes, is similar to Rocking in My School Shoes. Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes, created and illustrated by James Dean, story by Eric Littman. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. And Pete loved his white shoes so much that he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What do you think? Can you help me read this word? Ready? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color do you think it turned them? Read it with me. Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome. You can sing it with me this time. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Let's read it together. Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. They match his coffee too. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? What do you think happened? White! But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. That means don't let things get you too upset that you're not happy anymore. Just keep singing your song and keep going. Because it's all good. And that is the end of our Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. So remember, before we read, I asked you to think about how I love my white shoes is the same as rocking in my school shoes. So maybe talk with your family about how they're the same and how they're different. And just like our last Pizza Cat book, I'm going to put James Dean, the creator and illustrator of our book, I'm going to put his address in the comments below. He really likes to get letters from friends that like his books. So maybe you can tell him about your favorite one or about what you like about the books. I'm sure he would love to hear from you. All right, friends, I'll see you later.